Solved how to fix Titanfall 2 FPS drop issue on Windows. 1. Make sure your PC meets the system requirements for Titanfall 2. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended FPS driver updater in this video guide. 3. Install the latest game patch. 4. Modify the graphics settings in NVIDIA control panel. 4.13D settings. Choose Adjust Image Settings with Preview, select Use My Preference emphasizing and drag the slider to the left. 4.2 Lower the in-game graphics settings. See details below. Display Mode, Windowed. Smooth Spirit View, On. VSync, Disabled. Anti-aliasing, TSAA. Texture Quality, Low. Texture Filtering, Linear. Sun Shadow Detail, Low. Spot Shadow Detail, Low. Dynamic Spot Shadows, Disabled. Ambient Occlusion, Disabled. Model Detail, Low. Effects Detail, Low. Impact Marks, Low. Ragdolls, Low. 5. Restrict applications and downloads in the background via WTM. 6. Change the power plan of your PC. 7. Adjust your Windows system for the best performance.